Hello, dear students. I, Mr. Chetan Digambar Pawar, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Gokhale Education Society's Arts, Commerce and Science College, Jawar, welcome you all to this online teaching learning method adopted due to the emergence of COVID-19 pandemic situation. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of you for selecting botany as a special subject for your undergraduate course. Today, I am going to introduce the TYBSc Botany course to you for the academic year 2020-21 as per the Mumbai University's syllabus. The Mumbai University's TYBSc Botany course is revised in 2019-20, and according to that, this course is consist of 5 theory and 3 practical papers. The paper number 1, that is plant diversity 3, having a paper code USBO 501 and carrying a weightage of 2.5 credits, while the paper number 2, that is plant diversity 4, having a paper code USBO 502, it also carries the weightage of 2.5 credits. The practical paper based on these two theory papers, it carries a weightage of 3 credits and it has the paper code USBOP5. Similarly, the paper number 3, that is form and function 3 USBO503, carrying the 2.5 credits weightage, while the paper number 4, that is current trends in plant sciences 2 USBO504, it also carries the weightage of 2.5 credits. The practical paper based on these two theory papers, it carries the 3 credits weightage and having a paper code of USBOP6. The paper number 5, that is the applied component, this paper may be different in different colleges. In our college, we have selected the horticulture and gardening one. It has the paper code, that is a USACHO 501. It carries the weightage of 2 credits for theory and 2 credits for practical. The marking pattern for the TYBSc Botany semester 5. In this semester, the paper number 1, which is based on the plant diversity 3, having a paper code USBO 501, it carries a theory paper having 100 marks weightage, while the practical paper, it has the 50 marks. That means total 150 marks for paper number 1. Similarly, paper number 2, having a title, that is a plant diversity 4, paper code USBO 502, theory paper for 100 marks and practical paper for 50 marks, total 150 marks. For paper number 3, that is a form and function 3 USBO 503, theory paper for 100 marks and practical paper for 50 marks. And similarly, the fourth paper number 4, that is the current trends in plant sciences, having a paper code, that is a USBO 504, theory for 100 marks and practical for 50 marks, total 150 marks for paper number 4. While the paper number 5, which is the applied component horticulture and gardening, it is having a theory paper of 100 marks, but the important thing is that the practical paper, it is also of 100 marks, and total this paper number 5, it carries the 200 marks. The total marks which are allotted to this semester 5 TYBSc, that is the 800 total. Let us see the overview of the botany syllabus. As we have already seen that the paper number 1, that is a plant diversity 3, it carries the 4 units. The unit 1, it is based on the microbiology. Unit 2, it is based on algae. Unit 3, fungi, and unit 4, it is based on the plant pathology. There will be the one lecture per week for every unit. Similarly, the paper number 2, that is a plant diversity 4, it is having a first unit that is based on the paleobotany. Paper number 2, angiosperms 1, unit number 3, it is the anatomy 1, and unit number 4, it is based on the palynology. The next third paper, it is having a title, that is a form and function 3. The first unit of this paper, it is based on the cytology and molecular biology. Unit 2, it is based on the plant physiology 1. Unit number 3, it is based on the environmental botany, and unit number 4, it is based on the tissue culture. The fourth paper, that is the current trends in plant sciences. It consists of the first unit, which is based on the ethnobotany and mushroom industry. Second unit is based on the plant biotechnology 1. Third unit based on instrumentation, and fourth unit is the pharmacognosy and medicinal botany. The fifth paper, that is applied component horticulture and gardening 1, it also consists of the 4 units, out of which the first unit, it is based on introduction, it is the introduction to horticulture. Second unit, that is the propagation practices. Third unit, manures, fertilizers and diseases, while the fourth one, that is the garden options. Now we will see the question paper pattern for the TYBSc Botany semester 5 as well as the semester 6. There will be the 5 questions carrying the total 100 marks, out of which the question number 1, which is a long answer question, it is totally based on the unit number 1. There will be the 4 questions asked, out of which the student have to attempt for the 2 questions, and each question carries the 10 marks, that means the totally 20 marks. The question number 2, it is also a long answer question which is based on the unit 2. Similarly, it also carries the it also has the 4 questions, out of which the student has to attempt the 2 questions, and total marks that is allotted, that is the 20. Each question carries the 10 marks. Similar is for the question number 3 and 4, while the fifth question, which is the short answer type question, it is based on all the 4 units, and there will be total 6 questions asked, out of which you have to solve the 4 questions. Each question carries the 5 marks, that means the total 20 marks. In this way, the total 100 mark theory question paper will be there. There are some important notes are there. The first one, that is the minimum 20 marks are required in every practical paper examination for the passing. The minimum of 4 field excursions, out of which one should be beyond the local area. For the habitat study, that is compulsory. Then the certified journal and the field report is also compulsory for the practical examination. Then the students can download the detailed descriptive syllabus from the Mumbai University's website, that is the mumbaiuniversity.ac.in, and the list of reference books, it is given at the end of the syllabus. Thank you.